Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Marco means business. Alright, just so you guys know, Melina will be performing very soon. But in the meantime, Marco is going to perform this Because of the Night, originally from Cascada. This song is so, so good. He's going to perform that right here, just for you guys, on center stage. Thank you for watching. Take me now, baby, here as I am. Hold me close and try and understand. Desire is hunger, is the fire I breathe. Love is a banquet on which we feed. Come on now and try and understand the way I feel when I'm in your hands. Take my hands, come undercover. They can't hurt you now, can't hurt you now, can't hurt you now. Oh, because the night belongs to lovers. Because the night belongs to us. Because the night belongs to lovers. Because the night belongs to us. The night belongs to lovers. Because the night belongs to us. Because the night belongs to lovers. Because the night belongs to us. The night. Have a towel, baby, when I'm alone. Love is a ring, a telephone. Love is an angel disguised as lust. Here in our beds till the morning comes. Come on now and try and understand the way I feel when come and take my hand. This is a sense that can't touch you now, can't touch you now, can't touch you now. The night belongs to lovers because the night belongs to us. Because the night belongs to lovers. Because the night belongs to us. Because the night belongs to lovers. Because the night belongs to us. Because the night belongs to lovers. Because the night belongs to us. The night belongs to us. Because the night. Thank you guys. Alright, ciao. Super Soldier Marco says have a great night. Thank you all very much.